The X500 Pro series phones has been spotted in the wild, revealing its design for the first time. Standard Vivo X500 will have its circular camera module placed at the upper left corner, whereas the X500 Pro and X500 Pro Max will have the circular camera module at the center, like the previous generation. Vivo is expected to unveil the Vivo X500 series next month, September, in China. The lineup is expected to include at least 3 models, namely the X500, X500 Pro, and X500 Pro Max. The remaining models in the lineup are tipped to sport 6.37-inch, 6.59-inch, and 6.85-inch screens. 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 4500 nits. Variously rumored as a next-gen 2nm MediaTek chipset or the Dimensity 9600. A triple rear setup. The Vivo X500 Pro could feature a 50MP 1/1.28-inch primary rear camera with LAFIC support, a 50MP ultra-wide camera and a 64MP half-an-inch periscope telephoto camera with support for 3x optical zoom. Estimated at 7510 mAh with 90W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.